Okay, so we are doing a TPO roof. And we're gonna start off with the pretty light solution, 1 to 1.5%. And we'll just coat the entire thing. You don't want it to sit up there a long time. So we'll get this thing all treated up. And while it sits, I'll get the pressure washer set up with the M5 twist. We'll use a fairly light spray to rinse this stuff off. You don't want to put any type of pressure on here because it is a fairly sensitive material. So I'll let our system get some pressure in it. Now we're going to be doing a house wash on this too, so I'm not too worried about getting the sides all messed up. Because we will get that taken care of afterwards. Alright. Now this might not look like a bunch of soap to you, but there is soap in here. We'll get this all coated down. Already changing color, so that's good. This stuff is super slippery, so be careful when you're doing this. Sometimes this stuff takes some brushing, but we want to do it with the smallest amount of pressure or agitation possible. We'll let this sit up here for a good 15 minutes. And then come back with that M5 twist. Get it all off. Alright, we can already see that lightening up really nicely there. So let's take this time to switch over to our M5 twist and rinse that car off. Been long enough, 10 minutes. Get that all cleaned off. This is going to be hit with the house wash, but since I'm up here, I'm just hitting this once now. Try to make sure I don't miss any angles when I'm up down below. So do all the edges and then rinse top down. Doesn't need much pressure, guys. This is the M5 twist with it almost fully open. That's all the pressure you need. If you don't have an M5 twist, go get you one. It's going to be one of your favorite tools. Check out my description. I always have a link, or you can check out the shop page in my bio. Got a link in there for stuff that I use and that I find helpful in my company. So check that out. You'll love it. Look at that, it comes off like butter. All this sap, nothing you can do about that. So if you ever bid a job like this, make sure you let the client know that you're not going to be pulling sap off their TPO. If anybody out there knows a good product that you can use on TPO to get rid of sap that won't hurt the rubber, let me know. Always love it when I learn new stuff. So and that's that. Look how white that is. So that's how you do a TPO roof, guys. Don't go too pressurized on any of that, and don't go too crazy with your chemicals. Just get enough up there to get the organics loosened and then rinse it off. TPO, the seams, be careful of the seams so that if there are any weak points, you don't make them worse. If you do see a weak point, stop, let them know. Last thing you want to do is pop a hole in that stuff, because then they got to get it repaired. And yeah, as far as sap goes, I don't remove it just because I don't want to take something that's that dissolvent on top of a TPO roof. So anyhow, I'm gonna end this video and get to the house wash. Peace.